Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. So Fenty Beauty just launched, and because I'm in Jamaica we don't have Sephora, so it's kind of hard to get my hand on the products. Alright, so what I decided to do was find a dupe for the Kilowatt highlighter in Trophy Wife, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, as well as how to get a dewy foundation look for a fall, kind of weather to keep your skin hydrated and all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see, just keep on watching the video. So before we get started guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications that you get notified every time I put out a video. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to start off with my eyes already done because I just want to show you guys a foundation routine basically. Today I'm going to be using these brushes from X-Trend. The link will be down below in the description bar. I'm going to be using the biggest brush for my foundation brush today, and this is just what it looks like. I'm going to go in with the iconic Elixir from NOLA Skin Essentials, my new favorite. Today's foundation is going to be the Black Opal Cream to Powder. I haven't used this foundation in a long time and it's very old. So I'm just going to squeeze a couple drops of the iconic Elixir into the foundation. You can do this with either a cream or a liquid foundation, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to squeeze a couple drops in there, run my brush through it, and just apply that to my face. What the Elixir does is it moisturizes your skin while you have your makeup on, and it also gives you a really nice glowy dewy look that is perfect for the fall time. And it also saves you from applying too much product as well. Once I'm done applying my foundation, it's time to highlight, and I'm going to be using the Elixir Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm just going to apply this as I would regularly, just put it to the points that I want to stand out, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a smaller brush and blend that out, and I'm going to just put a few drops of the Elixir on that as well to help with the blending process and also add to the glow. You guys have been asking me for my glowy skin secret lately, and this right here is it. The link for the Elixir will be down below in the description bar, as well as all the other NOLA Skin Essentials products that I've been using to get nice glowy skin naturally that has no acne or pimples or anything like that. So if you guys haven't checked out my skincare routine, you can go ahead and click the link on the screen right now. Once that's blended out, I'm going to go ahead and set the highlight using this light shade from the Profusion Studio Contour and Highlight Palette. I'm going to just set the highlighted areas of my face using that powder. I actually love the way this came out. I think this is going to be my new favorite highlight setting product. I definitely think using a loose powder is going to take away from the glowiness. So then I'm going to take this dark shade to set my contour, and I'm mixing those two shades so that it's not too dark on my skin. As you guys can see, one is really dark, so I'm just going to apply that to the contour areas to set those as well. Alright guys, so for the highlight dupe, this is what I'm using. This is the #1 eyeshadow from Black Up Cosmetics. It has the same frosty look as Trophy Wife and also the same 3D type of look as well. It's very dimensional, and I love the way it just reflects right off your skin. So it's definitely the same type of texture. You guys will totally flip if you see how alike they actually are. It's just a pity I don't have Trophy Wife to show you guys a side-by-side swatch, but it looks basically the same. No one will know, I promise. So I'm just going to blend that out so that it doesn't look too harsh. And then for the lips, I'm just going to line with brown lip liner, and I'm going to fill in with a nude gloss. This is Chestnut by MAC, and I'll be filling in my lips using SNS Cosmetics Cassie Lip Gloss. So this is definitely my signature look guys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and follow me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.